Howdy friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to polish a couple pieces of Colombianite. One of the items I was gifted during a live sale, and during the live sale we cut it in half and it was fun. So I'll include a clip in this video of me cutting it in half during the live sale. So the footage might look a little bit different, but nonetheless we have footage of it being cut open. And I am going to polish another piece of Colombianite that I purchased for myself specifically for this video. And it holds a little secret. And I discovered the secret during the grinding process. So, if you're curious on what Colombianite is, I'll have a link in the description to an article about Colombianite. They are considered a Colombian tektite or tektite. I think there's a little discussion on if it's considered a true tektite or not. But either way, it's called Colombianite. It's a Colombian tektite. But let's not waste any more time. Let's go get right to work and polish these beautiful specimens right up. Here's the first piece that we polished up. Now I left the back natural. I did not polish the back. I just did the front. I did this for a reason. I thought it'd be cool to have like an accent on the stone, so if ever it is held up to the light, you have like really cool, like almost lunar effect. But as you can tell, there's some cloudy stuff in there. And I'm like, oh, that's interesting. What is that? Well, as I noticed as I was grinding away, let's wipe off my fingerprints so you can see this a little bit better. It almost had like a hint of like a rainbow effect in there. I don't know if you can see it at all. It's very subtle. Here it is. So it's very subtle. It's not like a really deep color. Of course, it's getting the background effect there, but it's not a deep color. It's very, again, very subtle. It kind of reminds me of the Borealis rainbow from Oregon a little bit, where it's not super colorful, but there is a hint of color in there. But I thought that was really cool. Again, you kind of got that almost moon pattern there in the back. Go ahead and get the light back on it. But I just thought that was really, really cool. And again, you see the layers in there. Of course, I think I'm fogging up the... No, never mind. I thought I was fogging up the stone. That's okay. So there's this one, which that was pretty cool. During one of the live streams, I was donated a round piece, and they paid to have it cut there on the live. And this is what it looked like straight at the saw. No sanding whatsoever. And I saw the potential in this, because if you take some water to it, you have like a really cool again, a lunar effect. I'm like, oh man, this would look really cool if it was polished up. So that's what I did. I polished it up, and the surface is not perfect. As you can tell, there are some striations. See if we can get that to show again. So, see those kind of striations going downward? That was actually caused by the polishing wheel. Believe it or not. I'd actually get some scratches on here, and I was able to buff up those scratches with the cerium oxide. So this material's, I think it's fairly soft, but I was also adding a lot of pressure on the polishing wheel to get this to polish. But still, I do have a nice shine on there, nice shine. But the point of polishing this was to be able to see through it. See that? That is cool. And that's not even having a backlit. That's just from back here. But if we do backlight it, or have it backlit, if we can get to focus, there we go. Isn't that cool or what? That's just too cool. It's just so clear. Again, the polish is not the best as far as the sanding surface itself, but the shine is kind of where it's at, and the whole point was to be able to show off the stone itself if it's being backlit. So that's really cool. Let me know in the comment section which one was your favorite. I always love reading the comments. But yeah, was it this impromptu cab with the natural back? See if we can get to focus a little bit. Or was it the round one with also the natural back? I mean, I couldn't pick a favorite. I think they're both really cool. But still, I love to read your comments. They're always fun to read which ones was your favorite, or if you like them both. Either way, leave that comment. And if you have a chance to read that article, be sure to do so. I'll leave a link in the description of the video so you can go check that out. But that is going to do it for today. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Rock on.